Now for the third test, we're going to do the same thing as the second test, but we're going to do 2 individual tests with 6 parts per test. Placing on top of the flow bench the middle unit, the unmodified unit with the unmodified upper plenum. We'll run that test in 6 parts to see what the airflow is through that provides the lower piece here. And then the second test will be the middle part that has been altered, as well as the altered upper plenum, and then measure the airflow through those pieces to this area here. The goal of the modifications to the middle piece that you see that's been altered, and also the upper plenum as well, the overall goal was to increase the airflow to this unit, this piece here, to increase airflow to the cylinder heads, to the engine. So this piece here actually goes, it's a V6 engine. 3 of these angle towards one bank, or bank 1. 3 of them go to bank 2. So the ultimate goal was to increase airflow through the system to get to the back of the intake valve. This is an intake system, so ultimately more airflow to the intake valve should mean more airflow potential, should mean more power, if everything else around it is correct. But for this test, we're trying to isolate the effects of the modifications to this middle here. That was the test 2 should have established if there were gains in airflow to this middle section here. Test 1 should have established if there was an airflow gain due to this modification to what's called the upper plenum. And then test 3 should show us if there is what the overall system gain between this piece and the mid plenum or collector is what should be.